guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some classic invitation crab salad. So let me get started. Today I'm going to make another crab salad. It's a little different than the one that I made earlier. I'm using invitation crab meat this time. And I have two package of crab classic invitation crabs. They 8 ounces. So I'm going to be using 16 ounces of crab classic today. I have a half an onion. I have 2 boiled eggs, half a lemon, 1 stalk of celery, sea salt, sugar-free barbecue, yellow mustard, Duke's mayo, and Louisiana hot. Now the Louisiana hot is optional. You can leave it out if you like, but I love my food a little spicy. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm chopping up the crab classic. Okay, that is 1 pack of crab classic in the bowl here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the last packet. Okay, that's the last of the crab classic. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add the onion. That's a half an onion chopped up. I'm gonna go ahead and add the 1 stalk of celery in there. I'm adding in lemon to the salad. Okay, I can't hold the camera and squeeze the lemon at the same time, so let me cut the camera off. Go ahead and chop up the 2 eggs. Okay, I chopped up the eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and pour them in the bowl here. Okay, I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of mayo. Okay, I'm gonna try that out and see how that works for me. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of Louisiana hot sauce. I'm adding a teaspoon of mustard, yellow mustard. Okay, I'm gonna add some ketchup. That's about a tablespoon of ketchup. Kind of like my crab salad, kind of on the sweet side. Okay, but not too sweet. We mix everything together. Okay, I mixed everything together. It looks delicious, but what I'm gonna do is place it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Then I'm gonna taste it to see if it's gonna be ready, whether or not I need to add any additional salt. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add a half a teaspoon of sea salt right now and see how that works. And I will taste it after it comes out of the refrigerator to see if I need to add additional salt to it. Okay. and place it in the refrigerator. This crab salad is so delicious. I've been tasting this all day, and you notice it's not as much as what I showed you earlier. And now I'm gonna taste it for you on camera, so let me do that. It is so good. Really good. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.